Today I'm going to show you how to make this Geo Ornament. First, you start with 20 circles. These happen to be 1.5 inches. You can go as big as you want or as little as you want, but I found these to be a good size. And after you cut these 20 circles, which I do have a template for you in Cricut Design Space. It's already set out with the score line, so all you have to do is just cut out 20 and you're ready to go. If you don't have a cutting machine, I'm going to show you how you can do it with a punch. You punch out your circles, and then you're going to divide your circle into thirds. And how you do that is fold it in half, and then fold it in a third so it looks like a cone. Then you fold the other side on top, and there you have it. When you open it up, you're going to have marks, lines. I've already done this, but I'm going to show you. You mark one, skip a line, mark another, skip a line, mark another. And then that makes your thirds. So I've already done this one. And you just fold it. And you should have 20 pieces that look like this. Okay? After you've done that, you take 10 of those and you glue them together in a straight line. This is going to be the center portion of your ornament. Okay? Go ahead and glue this one together so it finishes the circle off. Match up your lines, match up your edges. Okay, so there's the center. Now you take the remaining 10 and you take 5 apiece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you glue them in a circle, but you're going to leave one area open. And the reason why we're leaving an area open is so that way we can thread our ribbon, twine, whatever you want to use as the hanger for this. For this, I'm just using black ribbon. Take it and make a knot. You're going to have a knot, and you want to have big enough that the whole ornament sits on top of this knot, so that way it doesn't fall down. I've used just an extra long ribbon for this. Okay? So this will be the top, this will be the bottom. So you take one of these, the bottom piece, make sure it's on the outside. Okay? And the knot is on the outside. Glue these together. Match up your corners. And there we have the bottom portion. Okay? Let that dry a second. Make sure it's good and glued. Okay? Now you take your centerpiece and you just thread this through it. And we're going to glue one side Another side. And we're just going to do this all the way around. Match up your corners. Make sure you have everything good and matched so it stays in a nice circle, in a nice sphere. Okay? So there's that portion. Now, you take your top and you thread it through like this. And for this, how I did it, I just went ahead and did a couple of sides to get all the glue and glued like this to get it started. Okay? It's tricky. It's gonna make sure you got the edges good and glued. Like that. And you take your last section, make sure your ribbon's out of the way. Match up all the edges, and there you got it started. For the bottom, like I did on this one, I just took an image, a pre-colored image, off of the White Christmas Crafting CD, and I'll post a link to which one it is also for you. And I mirror imaged it, so that way when it's hanging, you could see both sides. And I just glued that onto the tail. And to finish it off, I just took a bead and threaded it through and tied a knot. There you have it.